Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I have an unboxing from the Coach outlet. It is an item that I've been heavily stalking and anticipating. So let's get into it. Can you tell what it is already? You probably can. As you can see, I have the Coach Mini Rowan in the color Maple, and it has the silver hardware. Okay, so I finally got all the wrapping off, and here it is. The Coach outlet Mini Rowan in the color Maple, which is this beautiful dark chocolate brown color, and it comes with the silver hardware. I wish it was gold, but silver will do. When Coach first came out with this maple color, because it first came to the Coach retail or the Coach boutique store, I fell in love. I thought of two things: Louis Vuitton and chocolate bar. The color was just so beautiful. It was unlike any other brown that they had come out with, you know? And I was like, I have to get a bag in the maple brown color. And it finally came to the Coach outlet store. I literally drove to the Coach outlet. You can see I made a couple shorts showcasing all the bags that I saw in the outlet store, but I literally went to the outlet store for the color, to look at the maple brown color, and specifically to look at the Mini Rowan and compare it to the regular size Rowan. I saw all the bag styles that they had in the maple color, including the Mini Rowan, the regular Rowan, the Eliza top handle bag, the Eliza mini top handle bag, the Eliza shoulder bag. I think that was it. They all were just gorgeous. But I fell for the Mini Rowan. I love the regular size Rowan, but I think it's a little too big for my size. But it would be really good if you carry a lot. Me personally, I just don't carry that much, so the Mini Rowan was just the perfect way to go for me. Oh, and it's just so beautiful. It's made of the pebbled leather, which is so soft. I'm really glad that they did put it in the pebbled leather, because it just gives higher quality than the cross grain leather, in my opinion. No feet, two little top handles, and then this is the zipper track. It comes with a detachable crossbody strap, which is also in the maple color. It was stuffed really tightly, but I took all the stuffing out from the inside, and it is also the maple brown color, and it has two card slots in the back. Oh, but I'm just so happy I got it. I'm so happy. The maple brown color just really reminded me of Louis Vuitton with their dark brown. You know, they have the monogram, and then they also have the Damier Ebene prints, which has like the dark brown color. And this just so reminded me of just Louis Vuitton, but of course at a cheaper price point, but the quality is still really good. So I'm so happy to Coach for coming out with this maple color. Whoever's idea this was, you did a good job. You deserve a raise, definitely. So I do have the Coach outlet corner zip wristlet. This is in their signature patent leather collection that they came out with a little while ago, and I'm just gonna see if it fits inside the Mini Rowan, just to make sure. And it does perfectly fit in there. And it zips perfect. Here's just a little Fenty lip gloss. and then my lip balm, and my phone. I'm sure my phone. I have a iPhone Pro, and I'm pretty sure it fits in here. So, I love it. I need to think of different charms or different ways to accessorize or style this bag. Definitely, if you have any ideas of what charms or like straps I could put on this bag, definitely leave it down in the comments below, because I need some ideas about how to jazz this up a little bit. Okay, next I'm gonna compare it to another bag I have in my collection. So this is the Michael Kors Travel Small Duffel Crossbody Bag in the color Electric Pink. I showcased this bag in my pink handbag collection video, so check that out. So I wanted to compare, because this is another kind of like Boston style, Doctor style bag, Speedy style bag I have in my collection. So it is bigger, it is longer than the Mini Rowan, definitely. Yeah, definitely taller as well. It's definitely a bigger bag. Not too much bigger, but it's definitely bigger. But I'm also happy that Coach Outlet did a redesign of the Mini Rowan, making it a little bit bigger than the older version, because it was a little bit too small in my opinion, the older version. So I'm glad they made it a little bit bigger. They could have made it even bigger to be this size, but you know, I don't work for Coach. I can't tell them what to do. Okay, I'm back. So let's have a little fun. I found a couple pieces in my collection that have silver hardware. So we're gonna see how we can dress her up. So firstly, I have this Coach silver link chain that I got a while ago that I have not even unboxed. It is the metal chain strap in silver. So let's open. Look at that. Beautiful silver kind of chain links. Okay, I finally unwrapped it. It has a good amount of weight to it, and it's a shoulder length. So let's see. Ooh, look at that. So cute. Let's see. It's not quite long enough to be a shoulder bag, a shoulder strap. So I guess it'll just be like a chain that dangles from the bag. That's cute. Or you could just use it to carry it like this. Just kind of top handle a little bit. Next, I have this charm from Coach. It is their Tea Rose charm, and this is in the color Faded Blue. It has the silver hardware, which will match this perfectly. Let's see. What are we thinking? How do we like the faded blue with the maple color? Cute or no? I don't hate it, honestly. I don't hate it. And the charm is so big, it's almost as big as the bag. That's funny. Okay, so I took those accessories off, and I have this last one, which is kind of like a double chain, and I got it from Amazon. It has the silver chain link and then a pearl chain connected to it. So let's see how this looks on it. This is like a shorter chain that lies directly on the bag. So what do we think about this? I just rearranged the clips so it's kind of like hanging off one side a little bit more. What about this? Maybe we'll think about it. We'll look at some other possibilities. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you loved and enjoyed the unboxing of my new Coach Mini Rowan. This is actually my first Mini Rowan from Coach ever. So I'm really happy I got to get it in maple. What do you think about the color maple? Do you think Coach did a good job with this? I think they did an excellent job with this color. So awesome. I'm so glad they brought it over to the outlet. So, you know, us on a budget can afford it. So, but yeah, let me know how you feel about the bag. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and come back over for more videos. Have a nice day. Bye.